first in downtown with their 1982 redevelopment of the former Graham Hotel and conversion of the Curry Building, Ferris, Antique Mall Showers, the Old Depot, and numerous other downtown buildings into office and retail space. Whereas CFC at the time saw an opportunity to positively impact downtown by renovating the south side of the square into shops and office space. And whereas CFC undertook a construction project that required reinforcing the collapsed buildings with steel grinders, rebuilding the facades, and creating appealing interior spaces. And whereas the result was well worth the effort, Fountain Square, with 130,000 square feet of retail, office, and community gathering space, all conveniently connected via a sky bridge by the parking garage on 4th Street. And whereas not only did Fountain Square offer an inviting space for business and customers, it served as a catalyst for future development and revitalization downtown. Whereas we joined CFC in celebrating the 30th anniversary of the dedication of Fountain Square by proclaiming September 10th as Fountain Square Mall Day. Thank you all very much.